Welcome to your own private paradise. Dive into the crystal clear waters of your expansive private pool. Nestled against a backdrop of breathtaking mountain views in Albatera. Perfect for hosting friends and family, this property features a dedicated barbecue area and a beautiful courtyard. From the moment you arrive, the grand entrance, surrounded by towering palm trees, whispers a promise of complete tranquility. It's like having a boutique Mediterranean resort completely to yourself. Moving inside, the main living areas flow seamlessly together. The heart of the home is an ultra-modern, fully equipped kitchen. Boasting sleek white cabinetry, high-end appliances, a spacious island, and striking stone feature walls, it's a chef's dream come true. Every detail has been curated for comfort. The open-concept living and dining rooms stay perfectly cool in the summer thanks to centralized air conditioning. And for those cozy winter evenings, a premium pellet heater brings warmth and character to the space, ensuring year-round comfort. This Finca offers 5 generously sized bedrooms, providing ultimate privacy and relaxation. The bathrooms are a masterclass in design, featuring a large walk-in shower and a luxurious jacuzzi tub to unwind after a long day. But perhaps one of the most enchanting features is the massive upper terrace. With direct, seamless access from both bedrooms, it offers panoramic views of the estate and the surrounding mountains. It's the perfect spot for your morning coffee or watching the sunset. Whether you're looking for a permanent family residence or a luxurious holiday retreat, this Albatera villa has it all. If you love this tour, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment letting us know your favorite feature of this property, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another luxury home tour. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.